Here we go again. You know the deal. Cue the noise. Oh my god. This is excruciatingly painful. Even for me. Make it stop. You managed to make something so unpleasant, even more unpleasant. Stop it right now. Please. I'm begging you. That was the worst thing I have ever heard in my entire life. And I've heard Cardi B's music. Even worse, her regular speaking voice. I secretly hate that tone so much, but you people make me suffer through it every time something happens that needs to be brought to the attention of your delicate little species. Just give me a moment to compose myself.